Hey guys, this is Daniel Mac Sweeney from danielmacsweeney.com and Financial Freedom Forever. So guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to build your Twitter account so fast it is scary. So guys, go into your Twitter account, and that's the first thing to do. And what we're doing here is we're actually searching for hashtags. So the hashtag that your niche is, search for that. So entrepreneur would be the hashtag I'd be looking for. And as I scroll down, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for posts that have comments, that have retweets, and that have likes. As you can see here, Michelle Obama has 190 comments, 1,576 retweets, 14,000 likes. So guys, scroll down here and look for comments that have less than 100 because you want to be seen and you want to add your comments in here. So as you can see, Grant Cardone, 4 comments, Entrepreneur, 7 comments, and make sure these tweets as well have retweets because you want to be seen, and when people retweet, that means your post will be seen by everyone. These are active posts. People are commenting on them every couple of minutes. As you can see here, there's a couple of comments here. What you want to do is be seen. So you don't want to go into an actual post and post your own content. Well, you can go in and say, hello guys. So we'll just do that now on Entrepreneur, and as you can see, 170 retweets, and there's a good few comments here as well, and a couple of likes as well. But the problem, if you want to share good quality content in these posts, you could come across as spammy. And I'll show you what I mean now. I'm going to go back to my own profile. And let's just say I want to share this tweet here. So go into the tweet, look for the button with the arrow pointing up, share tweet via, and copy the tweet to link. Right, go back into your search engine on Twitter, search for your hashtag for your niche, refresh the page for the top posts. As you can see here, Entrepreneur, do you still use Snapchat? We'll click yes. 6 comments, 19 retweets. So you can actually post your comment in here and your status. And as you can see, my status is now entered in here. So when anyone else looks at these comments, they can actually click in here and see my posts. Right, guys, this is how to scale your Twitter account. You don't want to go into your posts and spam like that all the time, because if I did that to a few different tweets, obviously come across as spammy, and my profile comes across as spammy. So you want to use a different profile. So the best thing to do is actually create yourself a new profile. So here's my Daft Planet Media. We're actually going to copy this tweet here from Daniel Mac Sweeney, or Daft Planet. We'll copy that tweet. And yeah, so go back. So basically what I'm showing you here is you search for your own profile and you copy a tweet. We'll just copy this tweet. So share via, we're going to copy link to tweet. Best thing to do is use posts as well that have images or videos, and I'll show you why once I post it. So search for another keyword. And now I'm using a different profile here. So we're just going to pop in here. There's no comments yet, but there's a couple of retweets, so our post can be seen. And here we go. Daft Planet Media shared Daniel Mac Sweeney's post. Plus, it has an image, so people can see it straight away. So if you have a call to action, it's the best thing to do is use an image that has a call to action, so people will click on it. They'll click on the actual post. They'll come into it, and if you have links or anything in here to do with your niche, you can send them to where you want them to go. And the thing is, you can be as spammy, but I wouldn't be, as you want with this post, because the only profile that will get in trouble will be this one here, the one you actually use to share the actual tweet. But I would recommend doing a few things. Only post the same tweet at least 5 times, and then change the post, make it different. And this is a great way of actually building up your following on Twitter. There's some people that would only look at some comments, and then there's other people that look at more comments. So these are the people that might follow you. So you'll probably see in a few moments that people will start following me, or they'll start tweeting my tweet or commenting on my tweet. So I'm going to do that around 5 times. And like I said, be careful when you're posting these too much. You do not want to be spamming too much. And if you have another profile, it's best to go off and use that so you can actually save the other one. So we're going to go back to look for Daft Planet. We're going to copy a post, not the same. We're going to copy a different one. And I'm going to show you something very interesting here as well, because this is what I mean by using posts that actually have images and videos. Once you see what I mean now, you'll totally understand. So we're going to search for entrepreneur again. And we're going to post in, let's scroll up. And like I said, look for posts that have a lot of retweets and less than 100 comments. So now look at this reply. There is no image and it doesn't look as good as if there was. And if you have a video is pretty good as well. It's a good call to action to actually have when you're actually doing this. And this is a great way of scaling. Yesterday I scaled by 50 people just by doing this. And there's not that I know of, but I don't think there's any limit on it. But just be very careful on how many people you're actually sharing your tweets to. And don't be spammy. Right, guys, I hope that helped. And keep doing what you're doing. You're awesome. And I will talk to you in the next video. Right, guys, have a great day.